What I have here today, December 29th, 2023. It's a Bun Special video, written, directed, edited by Bun Special, graphics by Bun Special, stunts by Bun Special, handcrafts is the finest ingredients, sound effects by Bun Special. This video was performed by an amateur, did not attempt at home. No watches were harmed in making this video for entertainment only. Still wearing this Seiko, what's it called? Prospects? I think it's automatic divers. It's waterproof. Oh, I got a little stain there. Yeah, it's getting slowly. The bezel's getting dinged up. Anyway, there it is. Oh, this is AM. AM. For what was that? Oh, it's off by an hour. I'm too lazy to switch the hour back. Oh, where did I put the opener? Yeah, so I got something off of eBay. Let's see. It said non-running. Let's find out. Oops, I don't want to cut my finger off. Always cut away from you. Always cut away from you. Look at that. I don't know. What was that all about? Am I opening this thing up wrong? I don't know how to open up these boxes. They put tape over everything, so I don't know. Where does it open? Where does it not open? Oh, yeah. I'm going to go towards me a little bit, but the camera's in the way, so it's got to go through the camera first before it can get to me. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, let's see. Oh. Where's a screwdriver? Give me a screwdriver. Don't I have a flathead? Yeah, flathead. There you go. You want to fight? Oh, yeah. There you go. What is this? Shipped from... Oh, came from Delaware. Let's put this over here. Oh, look at that. They got a whole bunch of styrofoam. I can take this and put it someplace else now. I gotta close it so all that stuff doesn't fly all over the freaking place. It stays all in the box. Oh, what is this? Oh, it's taped. How much styrofoam? I'll get rid of this. Everything ends up on the floor. And then eventually I pick it up. Oh, there it is. Let's drop it down. Move that over. Whoa, too much. Let's see what we got. Let me get this out of the way. Too much stuff. One of these. I saw this once. It's, I don't know. I don't know what you call it. Oh, the balance moves. Huh. Wait, I can zoom in. Oh, I accidentally pressed the stop button instead of the zoom. My bad, right? So it's the Girard Perregaux. I don't know how you pronounce that. Here, wait, let's see. Yeah, I bought this because of the interesting shape of the plates. But where's the name? What's the focus? There it is. Girard, I don't know how you say that. French, established. Special. What does that say? Oh, 7 joules unadjusted, and it's Swiss. And the balance, well, It was moving. Damn, what did I do now? Well, it probably got stuck someplace. And there's the front. What do they call that? Skeleton front? I don't know. What's the deal with you, watch? What is the deal? What is it? I guess it's a plastic crystal. It's kind of cloudy. Is it original? Maybe it's original. Wait, now the balance works? No, it doesn't want to work. How does it look? It doesn't look too bad. Base metal case. What's that say? Well, it's got the W, so I think it's Wadsworth. I don't know if you can read that. Probably can't. It's got that big W. I think that's Wadsworth. With the base metal. Ooh. It doesn't... Oh, look at that. I don't know if you can see that. I think the mainspring is broken. But it doesn't want to... Oh, there it goes. It goes back the other way. That's a lot of stiffness. Yeah, it appears the mainspring is broken. Oh, you see that one moving around in there? Yeah, okay. Oh man, I don't want to work on this now. I gotta go to bed soon. What is that? Oh, a piece of styrofoam. Yeah, to take that out, I gotta take the back off. I gotta pull off that. Take out some screws. Oh, I gotta take it out of the case. Oh, it's missing some of the glow-in-the-dark crap out of the hands. Yeah. Yeah, I think the mainspring is broken. Yeah. Well, you can see it. Yeah, I'm watching it move around and I'm looking out the outside. Yeah, I gotta go to sleep soon, so I'm not gonna open this up now. Anyway, so that's why it doesn't run. Well, the balance is good. I see the pallet fork moving. Mainspring, she be busted. Oh, I gotta find out the model number and see if I can get a mainspring. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Well, that's why it doesn't work. Second hand. Is that second hand any good? Hey, it looks like it's bent down. Well, I'll do one more thing to it. Oh, man. I regret everything. No, I don't regret everything. Let's see. Let's just open it up. What time is it? Oh. Well, let's see if we take off the bezel. It's because the bezel's kind of cloudy. There you go. Oh, wait. Well, that's a nice dial. Well, the dial looks good. What about the second hand? Second hand, is that pushed down? Yeah, the second hand is pushed down. And it's missing some of the glow-in-the-dark stuff on the minute hand. I wonder where that probably ended up somewhere in the movement, but everything else looks clean and shiny. Okay. This is kind of starting to cloud. Let's see, can I guess one thing I don't like about plastic crystals. When they degrade, they, what's that? Opaque is the word? I forget. It's been a long time. Well, you can't see through them. They start... Oh, that snaps on nicely. Except the back one still looks good. Oh, okay. The back is glass. I think it's glass. It's definitely different shape. It's got an angle there. This one's rounded. Yeah. So this crystal's been replaced. So I don't know which one's original. Okay, it's glass. Now how does this one come off? Okay, it's got a thing over here. I'm trying to do it so maybe if you do it, the crystal pops out. That's why I like glass, because it doesn't, and it gets older, it doesn't get cloudy. It stays the same. What if I cheat? I shouldn't do this, but I do it anyway. Oh, this thing, let's just, oh, that one wants to move. Can you just get unstuck? No. Okay. If I give this just a little goose. No, it doesn't want to go. Oh, there it goes. Just a little pressure, and it will run. Ah! Oh, come on. Yeah, I just want to keep it from... This one's very nice. These plates are clean. Yeah, I gotta take the screws out, and then I gotta take the screws out, so then I take the screw out. And then I could check out the mainspring, but I know it's broken. Oh well. If you're gonna have something wrong with the watch, that's probably like the second best thing. First best thing would just be it to be dirty. Well, this one's a broken mainspring. Probably the original mainspring looks all blued. Well, it snaps on nicely. Anyway, so there you go. The Girard, I don't know how you pronounce that. Shell oil, they called this the Shell oil watch. Originally they were going to lubricate it with the Shell motor oil for cars. But that didn't work out too good. So, 7 joules. Yeah, I don't like this crystal, but to replace it. Well, anyway, thank you for your cooperation. We'll look at this side. This side's the interesting side. Thank you for your cooperation. I hope you enjoyed the program. Enjoy the rest of your day.